Today we will start workout 19, which is the chapter of time. Okay, here some addition, subtraction, multiplication and division should be done. So at first we will take one example of addition so that you can understand the sum, and then you will do three sums, that is 5a, 5b and 6a, similar to this type. Okay, so at first you have to arrange all the numbers. Here it is years. Okay, so you will write years in the first column. On the next column you have to write months, and on the next column you will write days. Okay, now see how to add these numbers. Just you have to add the total number of days. You have to add total number of months, and then you have to add the total number of years. So when you are adding these two numbers, 7 plus 5, that means we get 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so you will write 2 and carry 1. Okay, now 2, 1 plus 1, that is 4. So you will write 42 here. Okay, if there is any more carry, then you will not write above it, you will write it here. If it was 14, then you have to write it 14 here. Okay, don't write the 1 here. Okay, always complete your addition in the days in the column of days. Don't take any numbers in the carry of month. Okay, now we will add these two numbers, 11 and 2, that means 13. Okay, now you will add these two numbers, that means 21. Okay, so we got 21 years, 13 months and 42 days. Okay, now what we have to do? You know that in one month there is 30 days, not 42 days. That means it is much more than 30 days. That means in 42 days there is 1 month as well as 12 days. हमको क्या पता है कि एक मंथ में 30 डेज होता है. 30 डेज से ज़्यादा है, मतलब इन 42 डेज के अंदर में एक मंथ छुपा हुआ है और उसके साथ 12 डेज एक्स्ट्रा है. सो यू हैव टू राइट 12 डेज. ओके, और एक मंथ जो हमको ज़्यादा मिला है उसको हम इसके साथ ऐड कर देंगे. ठीक है, यू हैव टू राइट 14. ओके, ऐड करके लिखना है, यू विल नॉट राइट +1. ओके, just you have to write 14 instead of 13, as we are getting 1 month more in 42. Okay, you will copy this 21 years and put here equals to. Okay, now see 12 days, you have to copy this again, but no year is consisting of 14 months. 14 months ज़्यादा हो गया है ना. एक ईयर में क्या होता है, एक साल में 12 मंथ होता है, उससे ज़्यादा है. कितना ज़्यादा है, 2 मंथ ज़्यादा है. तो क्या लिखना है, जो ज़्यादा हुआ है 2 मंथ. कितना साल छुपा हुआ है यहाँ पे, एक. 1 year is more in 14 month. So you have to take that 1 year and you have to add it here. So it will become 22. Okay, then we are getting the answer 22 years, 2 months, 12 days. Okay, in this way you have to do. Always add the days in one column, complete it here. Then you have to add the months. Then you have to add the years. And after getting these years, months and days, what you have to do? Just remove the month from here and add it here. Remove the month, remove the year from here and you have to add it here. Okay, in this way, in 3 steps you have to complete the answer when you are doing addition. And always put a gap here so that you can write the carry numbers if you need that. Okay, in this way you have to do the additions of question number 5a, 5b and 6a. Do it now. I am giving you 10 minutes. Okay.